Welcome, this is Jeff from the Watkins Tree Farm. How are you guys? As you guys can see, I am down at the family cabin. There's the cabin right there, the fire pit. We're gonna do some maintenance down here at the cabin. We had a crazy raccoon. He thought he wanted in the cabin for some reason, and the wood was already a little bit rotten, but for some reason he tore it all down. So we're gonna fix that. We got some more log siding. I don't know if you guys can see. He did try the door first, but it was closed and locked. So we're gonna attack these rotten boards and get them torn off. Looks like they use tar paper, so we're gonna put some tar paper up and then attempt to put new boards back in place. We're also racing Mother Nature. There's a big long line of storms headed this way, so probably don't have much time this afternoon, but we'll get as much done as we can. Well, it looks like those two boards are the worst, and I'll take a little bit off of this third one, and then looks like the second board I got to cut back a little bit, but we'll make it work and try to get some tar paper back on here and button her back up. We got the tar paper up, and so now we're going to start putting the boards up. One thing I told myself on the drive here is pre-drill, 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 especially since I'm using screws. So we made some pretty good progress, but Mother Nature is saying otherwise. I think the temperature's already dropped 20 degrees and the wind has switched out of the north, and the clouds are just, can you see that? They're just rolling. My dad got out of here. I'm buttoning things up and I'm gonna get out of here as well. We got the first piece up. I'm about to put the second piece up. This is going extremely well. Guys, when you're doing something like this, just take your time, even though you have a storm on your tail, and do it right the first time. This isn't too hard. I decided to do a little bit of a what would you call cross or overlap down there, just so I wouldn't have all my seams in a row. I don't think it looks bad. I didn't want to take too much lumber out, and I only have so many boards. So I'm going to get this last piece up and see where the storm is. Good morning. It is nice and cool and beautiful today. We're back at the cabin. Everything is wet here. We're going to get this measured and put this siding on, and we can wrap this little project up, and then Dad can stain it, and you'll never know we were here. What do you guys think? Looks a lot better than the plywood that was out. So, plus Dad feels a lot better now that that's covered up. Yeah. And we didn't have to replace the plywood, so that's a plus. So we got this little project done. I guess the lesson to be learned on this little video is just kind of take it slow and kind of work your way into the rotten stuff, take it out, and then put the new stuff in, and you'll be good to go. I wanted to show you guys something real quick. We had that storm roll in and it dumped a ton of rain. I'm glad we got out of here. I thought we could just ride it out, but it is mucky. I'm trying not to fall. But I wanted to show you the creek is full today. It is flowing. Well, I thank you for checking in today, guys, and watching us fix that cabin. I hope you tune in to more videos. We're going to do another video probably in the next 30 minutes. We're going to fix the steps coming down to the creek, so look for that video to come out soon. In the meantime, guys, you guys take care. God bless, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye-bye.